Hi guys, this is Bhaskar Berry. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And as part of this video, we are going to focus on how to reverse the print the square pattern with alphabets in reverse order. So, for example, the we would be like when I select the size as n is 3, the rows would be here. The first pattern would be the rows is same and the columns are different in a decreasing order, in a reverse order. And the other pattern is the columns are same but the rows are decreasing. Okay, let's try to see how we can um, add the code for this pattern. Similarly, we have seen it for numbers. So there's no there's no much change with the numbers and the strings. Only thing is we need to use additional functions, which is nothing but char function, that is chr, and give us the if we give the values, it gives us the character starting from 65, 66, 67 to get us ABC. Okay, so let's change that and use this function in the same thing. For range, I've taken the input size from the user and looped through the range and string of n minus I. Here instead of n minus I, along with that, I also need what is this, a max of 65 plus n minus I, because 65 is the it's not string, it is a char function. N minus j, similarly, this is nothing but char and replace it 65 plus n minus j and minus 1. So I think this should do the job. Let's try to and print it out. Here we're getting it as D, but I need it as C. The reason is it is like n is taking max here. Um, so I need n minus 1. So let's minus it with 1. And this one, let's minus it with 1 and see here what is the result. So now we are getting the pattern here, which we are expecting. Okay, let's see here. So this is the same pattern which we try to design it. So let's change the size of the pattern and see how the display will be there. Giving 6. So now see, we can see the rows as well as columns with the same value here. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel.